As a credit repair specialist turned coach, I want to see as many of you succeed when it comes to repairing your credit. I created a free DIY credit repair action plan for you. It's going to take you through the process of repairing your credit as well as rebuilding your credit. I've included some dispute letters in there for you and instructions on how to create your own dispute letters. So to access this free DIY guide, go to my YouTube page and you see the Stan Store /Road to 720 link. Click on it and it'll take you to this free DIY guide. And there's some other great resources in there for you as well. I hope this helps.